Hello, Class 11th student. Today again I'm going to start Chapter 9. Topic is Measures of Central Tendency, Arithmetic Mean. From your book Statistic for Economics, this is part 4. In this part we are going to discuss the left topic, and in this way this chapter is going to be over. Okay? So in this video we are going to discuss about corrected mean, combined mean, missing values, weighted arithmetic mean. So these are the topic of this video, and in this way this chapter is going to be over. Okay, so let us start. So first of all, how we are going to calculate corrected arithmetic mean. Sometimes it will happen that ki by mistake we read any value wrong, and on the basis of that uh, we will find out the value of mean. But later on when we search, then we find that key we had read something and given something. So in that case, by using this equation we can correct, we can find out corrected mean. Okay, so when we are going to use this value, this equation, when uh, any value we are going to read wrong, so and in that case we are going to use this equation. What is this equation? X bar is equal to sigma x plus corrected value minus incorrected value upon n. Okay, so here is given one question. Mean marks obtained by the 100 student are estimated to be 80. Later on, it is found that one value was rate 86 instead of 26. Find out the corrected mean. Okay, student. So let us start how to attempt this question. So in this question, what is given in this question? First of all, n is given 100, x bar is given 80, and in corrected value, what is written? Mean marks of 100 student, yani n is equal to 100. Mean marks of 100 student is 80, yani x bar is equal to 80. Okay, and later on it is found that one value was read 86 instead of 26, yani incorrected value is 86 and corrected value is 26. So we are having these things. Now we are going to find out the corrected value. So how? So first of all, we are going to write whatever given in the question. So n is equal to 100. Okay, x bar is equal to 80. Incorrected value is given 86. Corrected value is given 26. What is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma x wrong plus corrected value minus incorrected value upon n. So this is the equation. Okay. Now, all things we are having in the question, but sigma x we are not having. So how we are going to calculate the sigma x? So its equation is sigma x is equal to x bar multiplied by n. So this equation, by using this equation we are going to calculate sigma x. So what is the value of x bar? It is 80. And what is the value of n? It is 100. So in this way sigma x is equal to 8000. Okay, now we are going to put all the value, okay, on this equation. So it will be 8000 plus corrected value. What is corrected value? 26. Incorrected value, it is 86 upon n is what? 100. Okay, so it will be, when we add 8026 minus 86 upon 100. Now we are going to subtract 8026 minus 86. So 6 minus 6, it will be 0, and 12 minus 8, it will be 4. 9, 7. So what we get? 7,940 upon 100. 0, 0 cancel. Now when we divide, what we get? We get 79.4. So this is what? This is your X bar. Corrected mean is what? 79.4. This is your answer. So I think you are able to understand how we are able to calculate corrected mean if any value we had misread. Okay, so in that case we are going to use this equation and we are going to put all the values and we are able to calculate corrected mean. Okay, so remember one thing. First step is what? To find out sigma x. For that we use this equation. After that use this equation. Okay, so these two steps you have to follow and after that you are able to find out corrected mean. Okay student, so here is given complete explanation once again. Now next topic is what is weighted arithmetic mean. So what is weighted arithmetic mean and what is simple arithmetic mean? So first of all, we are going to understand what is weighted arithmetic mean. It is the mean of weighted item of the series. Okay, so this is the meaning of weighted arithmetic mean. It is the mean of weighted item of the series. Different items are accorded different weights depending on their relative importance. The weighted sum of the item is divided by the sum of the weight. So this is the what? This is the equation by which we calculate weighted arithmetic mean. यानी कि x bar w यानी weighted arithmetic mean is equal to sigma wx upon sigma w. Okay, so that is given. The weighted sum of the item is divided by the sum of the weights. Okay, thus what is weighted? When all the item of a series are not given equal importance. Okay, when assigning weight to different item according to their relative importance is necessary. Like you can take the example of expenditure of the family. Every family, majority of the percentage of its income is going to expend on the food, then education, then health, then electricity, fuel, and then miscellaneous. So this is what? This is weighted arithmetic mean. We are going to we are going to give weight according to the its value. Now difference between simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. Through the weighted arithmetic mean is an average, yet it is different from the simple arithmetic mean in the sense that is calculation of simple arithmetic mean, all the item of a series are given equal importance. So in simple arithmetic mean all items are given equal importance. In weighted arithmetic mean different item are given different important according to their weight. So this is the different. Okay, now how we are going to calculate weighted arithmetic mean? So actually the process is same as we are going to calculate the simple arithmetic mean. In place of frequency we are going to write what? Weight. So remember, this is the technical difference. Okay, so first of all, different items are weighted according to their significance. Weight are indicated by the W. Items are multiplied by their corresponding weight. Yani we are going to calculate sigma Wx. Then we are going to divide this sigma Wx by the sigma W. Yani in this way we get weighted arithmetic mean. Okay. So here is given one question. You have to calculate weighted arithmetic mean. Here you can see the value of x is given and in place of frequency what is given? Weight is given. So what we have to do? So write first of equation. So weighted arithmetic mean is equal to sigma x w upon sigma w. So yani there will be the next column of w x. So we are going to multiply these two items. Okay student, and we have to make the sum total of sigma w and whatever there will be product of this multiplication we are going to add it and we have to put the value on this equation. We are going to get the answer. Okay, so it will be 200, it will be 600. Okay, then 0 0. Okay, so and after that we are going to add it. Okay, here is given. So next column is wx. We are going to multiply these number. So when we multiply 100 multiply 2, we get 200. 200 multiplied by 3, 600. 300 multiplied by 6, 1800. 400 multiplied by 7, 2800. 5 multiplied by 3, 1500. 600 multiplied by 9, 5400. When we add it, we get 12,300 and sum total of weight is 30. Now we are going to put these value on this equation. So 12,300 upon 30, when we divide it we get 410. This is what, this is your weighted arithmetic mean. So the process of calculating weighted arithmetic mean is similar like a simple arithmetic mean. In place of frequency, what we are going to write? Weight. Okay, and everything is same. Now, next topic is what? Next topic is combined arithmetic mean. Like suppose if weight of class 11th A, 11th B is given and we want to know the combined arithmetic mean of 11th class for the height. Okay. So in that case, we are going to use this equation, combined arithmetic mean. What is this? So if the arithmetic mean are two or more series is known, combined mean of these series can be calculated by using this equation. In the case of two parts, x bar 1 2 यानी combined arithmetic mean for two series, x bar 1 n1 x bar 2 n2 upon n1 plus n2. Okay, and this is given its explanation. Okay, we can extend for any number of series. Okay, so here is given one question. 80 student of 80 student of section A of class 11 obtained 40 mean marks in statistic. 40 student of section B obtained 50 mean marks in statistic. Find out the mean marks in statistic for the class 11th as a whole. So there are two sections. For the first section, arithmetic mean is what? 40, and for the next section it is 50. Now we want to know arithmetic mean for class 11. So we are going to use this equation, combined arithmetic mean. Okay, so let us start it. Okay, so what we are getting from this question? Okay, wait. n1 is 80, x bar is equal to 40, n2 is 40, x2 is 50. So I'm going to write here. n1 is what? n1 is equal to 80, x bar 1 is equal to 40. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to write it again. 40. Okay, student. n2 is equal to 40 and x bar 2 is equal to 50. That is given in the question. Now we are going to write the equation. So x bar 1 2 yani combined arithmetic mean is equal to x bar 1 n1 plus x bar 2 n2 upon n. Okay, so n1 plus n2. So this is the equation. Now we are going to put the value on this equation. So it will be x bar is what? 40. n1 is what? 80 plus x2 is what? 40. n2 is what? 50 upon N1 is what? 80. N2 is what? 40. So it will be 0, 0 and 8 4 ja 32. Okay. So now 0, 0, 5 4 ja 20. Okay. Upon 0 and 8 plus 4, 12. So 120. Now we are going to add it. So 3200 plus 2000. So it will be 0, 0, 2, 3 to 5. Yani ki how much we get? 52, 5200 upon 120. 0, 0 cancel. Okay. Now we are going to divide it. So when we divide, so 520 upon 12. So 12 4 ja 48. So it will 4 remain. So 0. Now 4 3 ja 36. 4 again it will give 0.033. So answer will be what? 43.3. So this is what? This is your answer. This is combined arithmetic mean and this is your answer. Okay student? So this is the way that is calculated. So it is given again in the proper way. Now, location of missing item or frequency. If in the question there is not x value is missing or there is frequency is missing, so this is the equation to find out. Sorry, this is the equation. In case of missing the value, we use this equation. In the case of missing the frequency, we use this equation. So by calculating the question, we are able to do. Okay, here is given the one question. Suppose mean of 5 item is 60. 4 value of 10, 20, 30, 35. Find out the fifth item, value of fifth item. Okay, so how we are going to adapt it? X bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 upon n. So this will be the equation. X bar is given what? Suppose mean of the series of 5 item is 60. So it will be 60. X1 is what? 10. X2 is 25. X3 is 30. X4 is 35. X5 is, we don't know, so we write here X. Upon n. N is what? Number of the student is item. Number of item is 5. Upon 5 हो जाएगा. Okay. So it will be 60 multiply 5 and when we add 10, 25, 30, 35. How much we get? 5, 5, 10, 1, okay, 2, 2, 4 and 3, 3, 6, yani 10, 100. Okay student? Now, so we will write here 100 x and it will be 0 and 5, 6 ja 30. So 300 is equal to 100 x plus x होगा. Okay, plus x. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 300 minus 100. Okay, yani ki 200. So what will be the value of x? That is 200 and that is your answer. Okay student? So in this way we are going to calculate the answer. So that is given here. Now, in this question, this time frequency is missing. Here you can see. Okay, what is given? In the following frequency distribution, the frequency of class interval 40 to 50 is not known. Find out the arithmetic mean of this. Find it, and if arithmetic mean of the distribution is 50. Okay. So x bar is given 50, and this you have to find out. So what we are going to use the equation, x bar is equal to sigma fm upon sigma f. Okay, so let us we start. So we are going to write the question. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Okay, so this is the given. Now frequency is what? 5, 3, 4. Here is missing, so we will write here F. Okay, then given 2, then given 6, then given 13. Now we add it. So when we add it, how much we get? So we get sigma f is equal to 33 plus f. Okay, now next is we have to find out mid value. So it will be 30 upon 2 yani ki 15, then 50 upon 2 yani 25, then 70 upon 2 yani 35, then 90 upon 2 yani ki 45, then 110 upon 2 yani 55, then 130 upon 2 yani 65, and last one will be 150 upon 2, that will be 75. So this much when we calculate, next column will be of f multiply m yani mid value. Okay, we do the sum total of it and we are going to put the values. X bar is given already. Okay, so how we are going to attempt? Okay, so here you can see in the slide key mid values has been calculated. How calculated? I had told you. After that, frequency has been added. We get sigma f equal to 33 plus f. Now this mid value has been multiplied with the frequency. Okay, so we get 75, 75, and when we add this we get 1765 plus 45 f. Okay, now we are going to put the value on this equation. So it will be 50 is equal to 1765 plus 45 upon 33 plus f. And when we do, so we get the answer 23. Okay. Thank you for today. If you are not able to understand anything, ask, come school. Okay.